Oh, where are you now? The Wilson burn scar on the road. There's the towers, which were once gray. Now they're black-ish. Kind of looks like it. There's that red pumice. It's like ball bearings sticking to your tires. But that's it. Didn't burn over there, but definitely came roaring up this way. Right up this little gully. Some spots over there. I think this is smoke. Those are obviously clouds, but I think there's still smoldering stuff down in there. You can definitely smell it. It looks like haze from smoke. All this. Yeah, that's smoke. Even after the rains, it's still smoldering. Crazy. I'm gonna go up and see if the Cosmic Cafe is open. Maybe get Frito pie. One of my favorite things. Super Bowl Sunday Frito pie. Nice.